Known as the Hammer among his colleagues, Congressman DeLay recently came out swinging after Ronnie Earl indicted 3 of his associates.
The facts are, I have not been indicted in Austin, Texas, and the facts are the indictments that have been brought by this partisan DA in Austin, Texas, against 3 of my associates are frivolous.
He accuses Ronnie Earl, a Democrat, of playing politics. But Earl says politics has nothing to do with this case.
This is not about Democrats and Republicans. This is about cops and robbers. This is about the abuse of power.
Congressman DeLay, his comment about you, vindictive and partisan.
Being called vindictive and partisan by Tom DeLay is like being called ugly by a frog. It sort of comes with the territory, but that's my job. That's what I'm supposed to do.
This case involves a political action committee called Texans for a Republican Majority, or TRIMPAC, chaired by Tom DeLay and run by some of his closest associates. Earl contends that TRIMPAC raised money illegally from corporations during the 2002 state elections in Texas.
It's an ancient equation: money for power, power for money.
So far, Earl has obtained indictments against 8 corporations, in addition to the 3 people close to Tom DeLay. The charges include multiple counts of money laundering and the illegal use of corporate contributions. Well, what about Mr. DeLay? Are you looking at him?
We're following the truth, and wherever that leads, that's where we'll go.
The corporate fundraising, says Earl, was done to elect Republicans to the Texas legislature so they could redistrict the state and ensure that more Republicans would be elected to the House in Washington. Congressman DeLay turned down our many requests for an interview, so we caught up with him at a news conference in Washington to ask him about the case.
There's plenty of time to talk about those kinds of things, Leslie.
When can we talk about
what
them?
we are interested in.
While he wouldn't answer my questions, DeLay has said in the past that he does not expect to be indicted, and yet he has hired a team of lawyers while his legal defense fund has reached $1 million.
The fact is, he is worried. Republicans in the House are worried that this could be a huge flameout for Tom DeLay.
Norm Ornstein, a scholar at the conservative American Enterprise Institute and recent critic of Tom DeLay, says the Republicans are worried because DeLay has already been admonished by the House Ethics Committee for questionable conduct.
Tom DeLay was rebuked on 3 separate matters by the House Ethics Committee in the last Congress. An extraordinary slap at the leader. But they left open, pending, a 4th issue, which was the Ronnie Earl case in Texas. So what do the House Republicans do? They fire the chairman of the Ethics Committee. They remove 2 members, including...
And 2 of the replacements had contributed to DeLay's legal defense fund.